Of Paulus' letters pros Corinthius, the first, chapter 12. Now concerning the spiritual gifts, brothers, I am not wanting you to be being unknowing. Ye have known that when ye were being those of nations, ye were ones being carried away to the mute idols, howsoever ye were being led. For what reason I am making known to you that no one speaking by means of God's Spirit is saying, Yeshua is devoted to destruction, and no one is being able to say, Yeshua is Lord, if not by means of Holy Spirit. Now, diversities of gifts are being, but the same Spirit. And diversities of ministrations are being, and the same Lord. And diversities of effectual workings are being, but the same God is the one working all the things by means of all things. But to each one is being given the manifestation of the Spirit for the benefiting. For one is, on the one hand, to whom is being given through the Spirit a word of wisdom, but on the other hand, to another a word of knowledge, according to the same Spirit. To another faith, by means of the same Spirit, but to another gifts of healings, by means of the one Spirit. But to another workings of powers, but to another prophecy, but to another discerning of spirits, to another diverse kinds of tongues, but to another interpretation of tongues. But the one and the same Spirit is working all these things, dividing to each individual according as that one is purposing. For according as thoroughly the body is being one, and is having many members, and all the members of the body being many are being one body, thus also the anointed is being. For by means of one Spirit we all were baptized into one body, whether Yehudim or Hellenes, whether bondmen or freemen, and we all were made to drink one Spirit. For also the body is being not one member, but many. If the foot should say, Because I am being not a hand, I am being not of the body, not on account of this is it being not of the body. And if the ear should say, Because I am being not an eye, I am being not of the body, not on account of this is it being not of the body. If the whole body were an eye, where would the hearing be? If the whole were sense of hearing, where would the sense of smell be? But now the God hath set the members, each one of them, in the body according as he wanted. And if all the things were being one member, where would the body be? But now many, on the one hand, are members, and on the other hand are one body. And the eye is not being able to say to the hand, A need of thee I'm having not. Or again the head to the feet, A need of you I'm having not. Nay, much rather, the members of the body, seeming to be weaker, are being necessary, and which members of the body we are thinking to be being less honorable, to these we are setting about more abundant honor, and our unseemly members are having more abundant modesty. Whereas our modest members are having not a need, but the God mixed the body together, having given more abundant honor to the lacking member, so that a schism should not be being in the body, but the members should be caring the same for one another. And whether one member is suffering, all the members are suffering together with it. Whether one member is being honored, all the members are rejoicing together with it. Now ye are being anointed's body, and members each from a part. And which ones indeed the God set in the assembly, first sent ones, secondly prophets, thirdly teachers, then powers, then gifts of healings, assisting perceptions, steerings, diverse kinds of tongues. Not all are being sent ones, are they? Not all are being prophets, are they? Not all are being teachers, are they? Not all are being workers of powers, are they? Not all are having gifts of healings, are they? Not all are speaking with tongues, are they? Not all are interpreting, are they? But be ye zealously desiring the greater gifts, and still according to a superior way I am showing to you.